So, good day everyone. We are the group 5 and for today's video, we're going to perform the given task which is the Great Circle Sailing. So, together with me are Decadet Gablines, Decadet Galvez, Decadet Habonita, and yours truly, Decadet Gonzalez. So, the course outcome of this lesson is to demonstrate on how to calculate thorough knowledge and understanding of the content application of the Great Circle Sailing. So the learning outcome at the end of the session, student will be able to calculate the Great Circle Sailing to be able to solve the following, which are the DLAT, D-long, Great Circle Distance, Initial Course Angle, Initial Course True, Latitude of Vertex, Final Course Angle, Final Course True. So this is the question. Determine the great circle distance and initial course, final course from latitude 40 degrees 28 minutes north, longitude 1 151 degrees 40 minutes east to latitude 45 degrees 30 minutes north and longitude 131 degrees 28 minutes west. So So the students must find the following, which are the DLAT, D-long, vertical distance, initial course angle, initial course true, latitude of vertex, final course angle, and lastly, final course true. So first thing to do is to find the DLAT and D-long. So in here, our latitude 1 is 40 degrees 28 minutes north, and our latitude 2, which is 45 degrees and 30 minutes north. So since their direction are the same, so in order to find the DLAT, we need to subtract it because they are in the same direction. So get your calculator and put down the following given. So after you put the following digits, we will come up to the answer of 5 degrees 2 minutes north. So the direction is north because our latitude 2 is bigger than the latitude 1, and latitude 1 is smaller, then the latitude 2 is higher. So we are going to north. So pataas na pataas. So next is the D-long. So our D-long D-long 1 so is 151 degrees 40 minutes east, and our D-low 2, which is 131 degrees 25 minutes west. So in order to calculate D-long, since the direction are not the same, so it is clear that it is clear in the rules that we need to add since their direction are the same. So calculate, get your calculator and put the given there. So we will come up to the answer of 2 283 degrees 50 minutes west. So since the D long is larger than or larger than 180 degrees, so it is said in the rule that if 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 east going to east are are greater than 180 degrees, we need to subtract it by 360 degrees. since the value here is located in the quadrant 4. So get your calculator and subtract 283 degrees 5 minutes west by 360. So we will come up to the answer of 076 degrees 55 minutes east.
In calculating great circle distance, we have to use the formula of cos GCD equals cos lot 1 times cos lot 2 times cos del O plus sin lot 1 times sin lot 2. And the cos lot 1 we have 40 degrees 28 minutes north times cos lot 2 we have 45 degrees 30 minutes north, and cos del O is 75 degrees 55 minutes east plus sin we have the sin lot 1 is 40 degrees 28 minutes north times sin lot 2 we have the value of 45 degrees 30 minutes north, and we have come up of 0.12071 plus 0.46290. We have the GCD and we have two inverse cos, so the value is 0.58361, and the GCD value equals 54 degrees 17 minutes, and we have to times it to 60 to get the nautical miles. So the GCD equals 3257.7 nautical miles.
So for the solutions for the initial course, so there is a formula of sin initial course is equals to cosine 45 degrees 30 minutes north multiplied by sin 76 degrees 56 minutes east and divided by sin 54 degrees 17 minutes and 42.53 seconds. Since there is a sin in the left side, we will multiply it so the initial course will remain in the left side. So initial course is equals to inverse sin multiplied by 0.68271 divided by 0.81203. So in using the scientific calculator, we will come up with initial course of 57 degrees 13 minutes and 7.87 seconds northeast. So for the initial course, with the sign of true, we have 57 degrees 13 minutes and 7.87 seconds true.
So for the solution of latitude of vertex, there is a formula which is cosine latitude of vertex is equals to cosine latitude 1 times sine 1 over cosine. So it will be equal to cosine 40 degrees and 28 minutes north times sine 0.57 degrees 13 minutes. And the final answer would be cosine 0.63962, and click inverse cosine. It will be 50 degrees 14 minutes 11.44 degrees north. So that is the cosine latitude of vertex. So for the final course, the formula is cosine final course over cosine times um equals sine latitude 1 minus parenthesis open parenthesis sine latitude 2 times cosine GCD close parenthesis over cosine latitude 2 times sine great circle distance. So the sine latitude 1 is sine 40 degrees and 28 minutes north minus sine 45 degrees 30 minutes north times cosine 54 degrees 17 north minutes or 17 degrees 42.53 minutes over cosine 45 minutes 30 degrees north times sine 54 degrees 17 minutes point 42.3. So the final answer would that be is 0.23275 over 0.56916. So the final course is south 65 degrees 51 minutes and 43 minutes point 16 minutes east. So the final course for that one, when it change to degree or shift to degree, is 114 degrees point 1 or 114.1 degrees true.